burning of fire, burning of candle, or a very simple example in your houses when your mother cooks the food, then burner of the gases. All these provides us heat, because when we go near to the burning burner, we feel hotness. Similarly, at the daytime, when we are in the out of the home, out of the room, we feel a very hot by the sun. So sun also provide us heat. Similarly, burning of fire means if you are burning the wood, burning of papers and any other, then what you feel? You feel hotness. So these are called heat. And you know that energy cannot be created nor destroyed. So if you see, if you burn a paper, it means burning papers provides us heat, because when we sit near the burning paper, we feel heat. Also, if this paper is burnt in the closed room or dark room, then what happens? There is a light inside the room. So burning paper provides us heat, light. It means the energy was stored in the paper already, and energy cannot be created nor destroyed. So this was the energy in the paper already. This is called internal energy of the paper. And so this energy, after the burning of the paper, converted into the heat energy and light energy. So we can say that heat is the form of energy, and which provides us or which gives us sensation of warmth or hotness. Now we see another example. If tea is very hot and a cold milk is placed there to you, you have a cold milk. Then if you pour the cold milk into the hot tea, then what happens? The temperature of the hot tea decreases and the temperature of cold milk becomes hot or increases. So what happens in this condition? The heat energy is transferred from hot tea to the milk, and milk gain the heat while the hot tea transfer the heat to the milk. So, and it happens until the temperature of both hot tea and the cold milk becomes equal. It means we can also say that heat energy always flows or transfer from hot body to cold body if there is any temperature difference. If both body have the same temperature, then the heat will not transfer from one body to another body. So what we conclude here? After all, we define the definition of heat. Heat is the form of energy which produces sensation of hotness, and it flows from one body to another body if there is temperature difference between them. So this is the definition of heat. The definition is heat is the form of energy which produces sensation of our body, and it always flows from higher temperature to lower temperature whenever there is the temperature difference between them. Now examples are sun is the biggest source of the heat energy. So sun provides us heat during the daytime. This is the example of source of heat energy. A stove burner acts as source of heat. Similarly, a hot cup of the tea or coffee contains heat energy. Now, whenever we talk about any physical quantity, there is some unit of that physical quantity. So, the unit of the physical quantity is joule, and another unit is calorie, joule or calorie, where 1 calorie equal to 4.18 joule. Now, our next topic is temperature. What is our next topic? The next topic is temperature. We see the example. If you touch the ice piece, what do you feel? You feel coldness. While if you touch a hot rod, then what will you feel? Your hand will burn or feel hotness. So this hotness or coldness is measured by a device which is called thermometer, and this property of the body, that is the hotness or coldness of a body, is called temperature. So temperature is the measurement of hotness or coldness of a body. What is the temperature? The measurement of hotness or coldness of a body is called temperature. And the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. What is the unit of temperature? The unit of temperature is Kelvin. Some other units of the temperatures are degree Celsius and Fahrenheit. So you know the normal temperature of our body is 37 degrees Celsius, or in Fahrenheit 98.6 Fahrenheit. So there is the mainly two topics covered in this video. First is heat and the second is temperature. Heat is the form of energy which provides us sensation of hotness or coldness, and it always flows from higher temperature to lower temperature, and it only flows when there is the temperature difference between the two bodies. The unit of temperature is joule or calorie. And some example of source of heat energy: sun, burner of a stove or burner of gases, candle when burns, it also provides heat. So these are the examples of heat. And the temperature, what is the temperature? Temperature is the measurement of hotness or coldness of a body, and the unit of temperature is SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, and other units are degree Celsius and the Fahrenheit.